Welcome back students. My name is Vrinder Kumar and today in this video I'll cover your participle, and you know very well this is your third video of your verb, and this is of very importance to all the students, so you must watch this video carefully so that you can understand it very good, and this is a very helpful for everyone guys. So my dear friends, after watching this video you must write this all things in your note copy because this is very useful. So my dear friends, let's move on. Welcome back students. So here is a participle. So my dear friends, what is participle? Let's see the its definition. As you know very well, participle, it's a word. Yes my dear friends, it's a word and it works as an adjective. It's called participle. The first example is given. Let's see. I saw him dancing there. Yes my dear friends, I saw him dancing there. And the second example, I don't like a broken glass. And the third example, seeing the snake, I started trembling. So my dear friends, in this sentence here, dancing, broken glass, and seeing, these are the example of your participle because these are describing about a noun. So my dear friends, let's move on. The second one, so as you know very well, there are three kinds of participle. The first one is your present participle, and the second one is your past participle, and the third one is your perfect participle. So my dear friends, these are the very important to know. So I hope you are getting this all, and you must write this all things because these are very useful. So my dear friends, let's move on. Welcome back students. So as you know very well, present participle, and these are very important. So let's see its definition. So first definition is a present participle. It's a word and it works as an adjective and it's a form of ing. It's called present participle. So let's see the first example. I noticed him going there. And the second one, she watched him dancing on the stage. And the third one, he saw Ram singing on the stage. So my dear friends, in this sentence here, going, dancing and singing, these are the example of your present participle. So let's see the note. One doer performing two actions as at the same time. So let's see the first example. Seeing the snake, yes my dear friends, seeing a snake, I started trembling. And the second one, wearing the coat, he went out. He went out. And the third example, burning, he came out the house. So my dear friends, these are the example of your present participle, and it's a very important to know, and you must write this all things in your note copy so that it can help you to understand. And let's move on. Welcome back students. So here is your second definition of your past participle, and this is also very useful. So let's see its definition. So my dear friends, it's a word and it works as an adjective and it's a third form of verb, is called past participle. So let's see the first example. Covered in a sweat, she returned home and fell into the sofa. So let's see the second example. A broken chair taken to the office. And the third one, I don't like to write with a broken pen. So my dear friends, in this sentence here, covered and broken chair and broken pen, these are the example of your past participle. So let's see the note here. Covered and broken are past participle, so we need to understand it very good. So my dear friends, let's see the third one. So my dear friends, past perfect participle, the third one is your past perfect participle, and these are also very useful. So let's see its definition. It's a word and it works an adjective and it's a form of have been plus third form of verbs. So let's see the first example. Having been composed, the poem was recorded on the CD by me. So these are the example of your past perfect participle. So let's move on into the next example of this past perfect participle. Welcome back, students. So here is so next example, and that one is so very important. So let's see. Having been arrested, the thief was sent to the jail. And as you know very well, let's see the next note. Do a sentence, take the having plus third form of verb. The first example, having taken a bath, I shut the door. And the second example, having tapped the letter, it was posted by me. And let's see the next note, and this is also very important to know. So let's see the next note. Non-doer action, non-doer sentence you can also say. Non-doer action take the having been plus third form of verb. So first example, having been tapped the letter, I posted it. And the second example, having been broken the glass, they were sent to the jail. So my dear friends, these are the topics of your participle, and today your participle is completed. And after having dot, you must ask the questions on my WhatsApp number so that you can understand it very good. And I hope you got it, and see you again in the next video. Till then, have a fun. Bye bye, students.